Vanessa gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer, what's good? Hit that subscribe button and become a part of Vanessa gang, because Vanessa gang is the list gang of all what? Gangs. First, I would like to give my two shout outs to @shellbazura and @_.quexoxo_. So shout out to you guys. Thank you for following directions. I love you. If you guys want a shout out, because I'm doing two shout outs every video, all you have to do is, drumroll please, like this video and then go to my Instagram and comment gang, letter by letter, G-A-N-G. And if you're one of the two people that had commented that, then you get a shout out for the next video. Simple, right? Hurry up, close this, click the like button and go comment gang, letter by letter, so then you can get your shout out. Anyways, I actually just got done filming a video of getting this look. I did a story time about why I quit Panda Express, so make sure you check out that video. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how to style your hair if you got a closure or whatever. This hair was sent to me by Beauty Forever. I've been working with them for some months, and honestly, out of all the types of hair that they have, the curly hair is the best. So if you ever shop with Beauty Forever, make sure you get their curly, because it looks super natural and it's super flowy and everybody always thinks it's my real hair. So I have two bundles of 26, a 24 bundle, and then a closure of 20. I actually told them to send me a frontal, but they sent me a closure, which I'm really upset, because who doesn't love their frontals, you know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna lie to you, it feels really cheap. Once you wash it and stuff, then it comes out like this and it's soft. So I will leave the information in the description for you guys to check out. But anyways, let's get into the tutorial. enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you don't think that you won the shout out for this time, just be patient because there's always going to be other times where you can win a shout out. Go check this hair out. I'm not a big fan of their frontals and closures because they're not plucked, but overall I'm very satisfied. So like I said, the hair links will be in the description. But I love you, Nancy gang, and I'll see you later. Bye.